Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. We are going to do today is very important MCQ which will be a very important for the exam point of view, and it will be important for this competitive exam. Let's see what is our topic today. The MCQ is the most important for the all competitive exam here. But see the first question here. First question arrive here. In India, zooming a private tips from to the cultivations is the call weaver or daryas in. Where is call here? That's important question here. In India, zooming and primitives from to the cultivations is called weaver or darya in. Name the state. You know that the name of the state, and given option here: Odisha, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Madhya Pradesh. That's important. But first of all, you test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for the thought here. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear here. In India, zooming and primitives from to the cultivation is called weaver or daya in state. Give the name the state. That's a clear question here. You know that that's important. The Odisha is nothing is called to weaver here, and Chhattisgarh, it is Chhattisgarh is nothing here. Andhra Pradesh not applicable. Andhra Pradesh is called to the Diwar or Dalia is zooming here. The D option is correct. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is in India. Zooming private from the cultivation is called weavers or darya. That's important. The option is a D is correct here. Madhya Pradesh. Let's see next question here. The next question arrive on your screen. The question is clear here. Rabi crop are sown in a winter from October to December and harvesting in a summer from April to. There is a examiner asking the question about harvesting in a Rabi crop. The time period here summer from April to A. August, B. June, C. May, D. July. That's important question for the exam view here. But first of all, you check your knowledge and note your answer for the notebook. I give you few seconds for you. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The question is clear here. Rabi crop are sown in a winter from October to December. That's period time here. There is a crop is a sown here. But harvesting in a summer from April to there is a journally here. April to June. There is a Rabi crop are sown in the winter from October to December and harvesting in a summer from April to June. It means to the option is B correct. That's important here. Option B is correct. June. Let's see next question here. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. The Green Revolution was successful in a Punjab, Haryana, and dash and part of Rajasthan. You know that the question is the fill in the blanks here. The Green Revolution was successful in a Punjab, Haryana, and name the country for the is black space here. And the part of Rajasthan. The option is a western Uttar Pradesh, eastern Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Gujarat. That's important option here. You know that the examiners are given to the clue here. A and B is the western and eastern Uttar Pradesh. It means to answer is 2 has 1 here. And C. Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat already eliminate here. You know that the option is A and B. That's important. But first of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds and note the answer for your notebook. You know that you thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. That's important. You know that the question is clear. The Green Revolution was successful in the Punjab, Haryana, and Dash and part of Rajasthan. That's important. You know that here are only for the two options. I have already eliminated of C and D because examiner asking to many times a similar option here. It means to the western Uttar Pradesh and eastern Uttar Pradesh. But you thought a answer B, eastern Uttar Pradesh. It's not applicable here. The eastern Uttar Pradesh is not applicable. The answer is A, western Uttar Pradesh. It means to the A option is correct here. Of western Uttar Pradesh. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, the question is most important here. And question, a kharif crop are growing with the onset of monsoon in a different part of the country, and these are harvested in a dash. You know that is a question is asked in the examiner is very important. A question is clear. Kharif crops are growing with the onset of monsoon in different part of the country, and these are harvested in a dash period time. The option here July to August, B June to August, and C September to October, D October to November. The option is mostly important here. The monsoon, there is a time period is a June July. You know that June and July the monsoon is a different part of country. The growing set off. That's an important clue here. But first of all, check your knowledge. Okay, I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question is clear. The kharif crop are growing with the onset of monsoon in a different part of the country. That's right. There is a monsoon, and monsoon period here June July is starting here. June July is starting, and different part of country, and there are harvesting in there. The harvesting here. It means to July and June, July to August and June to the August is already eliminate here. Already eliminate because there is a growing with the onset of monsoon here. The monsoon period time is July and June. It means A and B already eliminate here. The option C and D, there is important. It means to 50-50 chances here. You thought of the October to November, there is a period time is nothing is harvesting here. October to November, nothing harvesting. It means the option C is correct. The option C is correct. September, October, there is a harvesting time period here. Is a kharif crop. That's important. You know that the option C is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. In a state like Assam, Dash and Odisha, three crops are paddy are growing in a year. And these are As, Aman and Bro. That's important. You know that Assam, Dash and Odisha, there are three crops growing in a year. The crops name here As, Aman and Bro. There's a crop's name here. As, Aman and Bro. There is the third crop. State is asking the name here. A. Uttar Pradesh. B. West Bengal. C. Punjab. D. Haryana. That's important here. But first of all, you check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you for correct answer right now. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear here. In a state like Assam and Dash and Odisha, three crop paddy in growing in year. 1 year, three crops is the same crops here. There is the name of As, Aman and Bro. That's important here and clue also is here. Haryana is nothing for these types of cropping here. Haryana is a paddy crops is only one time. Haryana one time, Punjab there is a one times only. It means to the C and D is eliminate here. And the A and B. A, B is here. But Uttar Pradesh is the most important state. But there is a not a three crops of paddy are growing in here. It means to the A Uttar Pradesh is eliminate. A Uttar Pradesh is totally eliminate here. The option is B is correct. West Bengal. There is the in the state like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, three crops of paddy are growing in year. And this crops is the name here As, Aman and Bro. There is a name of paddy crop here. As, Aman and Bro. That's important here. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, that's important. The question here, India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after. You know the second largest. But name ask you to examiner a first country there is a first number largest producer country here. The option is clear here. A Indonesia, B Japan, C Malaysia, D China. You know that is a question is clear. India is the second largest producer of the rice in the country in the world. And first largest producer country is a name here asking examiner. You know that. Come on, test your knowledge first of all. I give you few seconds for you and note your notebook the correct answer. You know that's important. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. You know that is the question is clear here. India is the second largest producer of the rice in the world. But a first country name here. The country is Indonesia. Indonesia is a nothing is a largest is a rice producer country here. Japan also nothing and Malaysia nothing. The answer is correct of the D China. China is a first larger producer of rice in the world here. It means there is a second number is India and first number is China. It means to the option is D is correct. You go with to D China. That is the correct answer. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. The question is clear. Which one of the following is a rabi crop? Which one of the following is a rabi crop? The option is a rice, B gram, C milts, D cotton. You know that is a question is clear here. The rabi crop here. The rabi crop. Question is clear. But first of all, you check your IQ level first of all. I give you few seconds for you. Because important and note of your notebook for right answer. Okay. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The question is clear. Which one of the following is a rabi crop? Here answer is clear, but D is here. Cotton is a kharif crop, and milts also is a kharif crop, and rice is also is a kharif crop. But also option is a B here. Gram is a rabi crop. It means to gram is a correct answer here. You know that the answer is clear. B gram there is a rabi crop. Let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, the question is clear. Which of the following are plantation crop? Which of the followings are plantation crop? Option A, rice and maize. Option B, beet and pulses. Option C, tea, coffee, banana and sugar cane. and D. Rice and wheat. You know that the question is clear. Question is clear. There is a which of the following are plantation crop. You know that, understand? Plantation crop. But first of all, you give the answer for this question. I give you few seconds for you. And note of your answer for the notebook. That's important here. And intelligence, you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Question is clear. Which of the following are plantation crop? You know that rice and magazine it are not a plantation crop, and wheat and pulses is nothing is here plantation crop. You understand? I reject to the rice. I reject to the rice. There is two option is eliminate here. Option A rice is given here and option D is also rice. It means to the two option already eliminate here. Rice and magazine and D rice and wheat. Eliminate. And wheat and pulses there is a nothing is a plantation crop. It means option C is correct here. Option C is correct. Tea, coffee, banana and sugar cane there is a plantation crop. That's important for the exam view here. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen and question is clear. Choose the correctly matched pairs about their agriculture in the India from the following option. You know that there is a question is clear. Choose the correctly matched pair about the agriculture in India from the following option. Option A Rabi crop are sown October to December. B. Gram is a paddy crop. C. As, Aman and Bro is a governmental scheme. And D. Kisan credit card increasing the production. There is a most important question here for the exam view. But first of all, you check your IQ level. And I give you few seconds for the given answer. And answer is not your notebook first of all. Okay? You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question is clear. Choose the correct match pair about the agriculture in India from the following option. The option is clear. Rabi crop is sown in October to December. And gram is a paddy crop. And As, Aman and Bro is a governmental scheme. And D. Kisan credit card increasing the production. That's important question here. But answer is clear. Answer is clear. Kisan credit card increasing the production is nothing. This answer is correct here. And As, Aman and Bro, there is not a government scheme. There is a name of state. Name of the state As, Aman and Bro. It means C option is a wrong. And B gram is a paddy crop. This is nothing here. The gram is not a paddy crop here. It means to option is A is correct. Rabi crop are sown October to December. That's important. And the options A is correct answer for this question. And let's see next questions here. The next question on your screen, the question is which one of the following describe a system of agriculture where a single crop is growing on a large area. Question is clear. Which one of the following describe a system of agriculture where a single crop is growing on a large area? A is called shifting agriculture. B. Plantation agriculture. C. Horticulture. D. Intensive agriculture. The option is most interesting. But first of all, you give an answer for this question and not your notebook. Okay? You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Question is clear. Question it is a clear because which of the following describe a system of agriculture where a single crop is growing on a large area? It's called to shifting agriculture. Shifting agriculture, nothing is called here. Okay. Intensive agriculture, nothing. And horticulture is not applicable. This answer here. The answer is correct here. B. Plantation agriculture. The plantation agriculture for correct answer. It means to the option B is correct answer for this question. Let's see next question. The next question on your screen and question here. Which of the following condition is not a feature of primitive substance farming? You know that is question is clear. Which of the following condition is not a feature of primitive substance farming? A. Fertility of soil. B. Monsoon. C. Favorable atmosphere. D. Sufficient capital. You know that is a four option is most intelligent option here. Is I'm not given here most intelligent option here. But first of all, you check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Question understand? Which of the following conditions are not a feature of primitive substance farming? You know that not a feature, not a feature here. It means to not his here answer. Okay. So A is a fertility of soil is applicable. That's the right here. But is here a question asking not a feature. Fertility of soil is a feature is the right answer. And D monsoon is also is important for this. Monsoon is important for this. And favorable atmosphere also. But not a feature of primitive substance is a farming here. It means D sufficient capital. It means the D option is correct here. The option D sufficient capital for a right answer for this question. The next question arrive here that is important. And question here considering there is importance of agriculture in India. Which of the following were given priorities for improving Indian agriculture? Question is clear here. Considering there is importance of agriculture in India, which of the following were given priority for improving Indian agriculture? A. Establishment of Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR. B. Development in the field of meteorology and weather forecast. And C. Establishing of Agriculture University, Veterinary Service and Animal Breeding Center. D. All of the above. The question is clear, but come on, test your knowledge first of all. I give you few seconds for you for answer giving this question and not your notebook this right answer. Okay, you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Question is clear here. Considering the importance of agriculture in India, which of the following were given priority to the improving Indian agriculture? A. Establishment of Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICR. That's the right answer. The establishment of Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICR. That's important. And right answer. Development in the field of meteorology and weather forecast. That's important also. It means to the B is correct here. And C. Establishment Agriculture University, Veterinary Service and Animal Breeding Center. That's important also here because the improving in agriculture, this is most important for A, B and C. It means to the answer is rightly here D, all of the above. It means to the A, B, C is correct answer for this question. It means to the option D is correct. That's important question and the answer. Let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, the question here, which of the following types of economic activity in agriculture? Which of the following types of economic activity in agriculture? A. Secondary, B. Primary, C. Tertiary and D. Organized. That's important option. That's important. But first of all, you test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for a take a answer and write the notebook. That's important here. You must have a thought of your answer. Let us show this answer for this question here. The question is clear. Which of the following types of economic activity in agriculture? That's important. You note that there is a secondary is here, a factory, and taxon is here, a product is used a consumer. But organizing the nothing as the option is correct. It means to the agriculture is economical activity in agriculture is a primary activity. It means to B option is correct here. There is a types of economic activities agriculture is a primary activity. It means to the B option primary activity is the right answer. The right answer is a B for this question. The next question that's important and question here, what is a bro? You know that this question is clear. What is a bro? A kharif crop, jihad crop, rabi crop, D none of these. The question is clear here. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer and write the answer for your notebook. Okay? The question is clear here. What is a bro? What is a bro here? That's important. What is a bro? The kharif crop, jihad crop, rabi crop, and none of these. The answer is clear here. Bro crop mean a kharif crop. Bro crop mean a kharif crop. It means to the option A is correct here. Option A is correct. Is bro mean kharif crop. Bro mean kharif crop. Let's see next question on your screen. The question here, reading of silk worm from the production of silk fiber is known as. Question is clear. Reading of silkworm from the production of silk fiber is known as is A. Sericulture, B. Aquaculture, C. Viticulture, D. Pisciculture. That's important option, but come on, test your knowledge first of all. I give you few seconds for give this answer and write the notebook of correct answer. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question understand? The question is clear here. A reading of silk worm for the production of silk fiber is known as. Pisciculture is not applicable for silkworm here. And viticulture, nothing. And aquaculture is not applicable. The silkworm is a silk fiber is known as the sericulture. It means to the A option is correct. A sericulture, there is a belong to the silkworm. Okay, it means to the A option is correct. That's important. And let's see next question. The next question on your screen, the question here, name the crop growing with the onset of monsoon in different part of the country. Question is clear. Name the crop growing with the onset of monsoon in a different part of country. A. Kharif crop, B. Rabi crop, C. Jiyad crop, D. None of the above. The question is clear. But come on, test your first of all your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. And let's see what is the answer for this important question here. Question is clear. Name the crop growing with the onset of monsoon different part of country. There is a monsoon crop. It means to here asking the kharif crop. Option is here A. Kharif crop. The kharif crop is most important crop here. The onset of monsoon and different part of country. There is a growing crop here, kharif crop. The is A option is correct. Let's see Next question here. The next question, there is a most interesting question here. Question here, Kharif, dash, Rabi, barley, Jad, and watermelon. The dash is a fill in the blanks other than important. Kharif is related with gram, beet, oil seed, या D, moong. That's important here. But first of all, check your right answer. I give you few seconds for this answer and note a notebook or correct answer here. The questions is clear. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear here. Question is clear. Kharif dash Rabi, barley, Jiyad, and watermelon. There is here a series here. The series is given here. The gram, Kharif is gram, it is not applicable here. Kharif is gram, not applicable. Kharif wheat, not applicable. C is oil seed. Is a Kharif oil seed? That's the nothing is a matching here. The Kharif moong. That's important. That's the right answer. Kharif moong. It means to the D option is correct here. D option is correct for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. A question here. Bajra growing a well on sandy soil and Sorosier dash. Bajra grow well on the sandy soil and soil here. That's an important question. Option here black soil, B red soil, C laterite soil, D album soil. That's an important option. But first of all, check your knowledge. You give an answer for this question. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. Bajra grow well on the sandy soil and swims here. Black soil, red soil, laterite soil, album soil. That's important here and clear question here. And answer is clear also. The answer is right is A black soil, because bajra growing well on the sandy soil and soil is grow here a black soil. It means to the black soil is correct. Option A is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. A question is important. Which is the ideal condition for a growing of sugarcane? Which is the ideal condition for the growing of sugarcane? A. Temperature of 21 to 27 degree Celsius and annual rainfall between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. B. Temperature below to the 17 degrees Celsius and 50 to 75 centimeters rainfall. C. Temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and 200 centimeter rainfall. You know that this question is clear. But first of all, you give the answer for this question and write the right answer for your notebook. Okay? You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. You know that question is clear. Which is the ideal condition for growth of sugarcane? Sugarcane, that's important. You know that first of all, use the eliminated method here. None of the above. This is a nothing but first of all a C option. C option is a totally is wrong here, because is here temperature 25 degree Celsius and rainfall 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter it means to the highly rainfall, and sugar can not grow to the highly rainfall. It means to the C option is wrong. C option is wrong. And the next here, the temperature below to the 70 degrees Celsius and 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall. You know that this option is also is wrong because is a degrees temperature is at 70 degrees Celsius is not a ideal condition for the growing of sugar cane, and 50 to 75 50 to 20 centimeter rainfall is applicable, but nothing is a good condition here. It means to the option A is correct here because temperature of 21 to 27 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall between 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. It means to the option A is correct here. Option A, there is a good answer for the ideal condition for growing of sugar cane. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question arrive here. The question here, choose the correctly matches pair about the major crop of India from the following option. That's important here. A, mills, northeast part of country. B, northwestern part of country. C, pulse, southeastern part of country. D, rice, southeastern part of country. The option is most important, but first of all, you test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for right answer or written on your notebook. Okay? You note of right answer for the notebook. You must have a thought of your answer and also written for the right answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. Question understand? Question is clear. Which of the correctly matches pair about the major crop of India from following option? The options here are mills, northeast part of country. Wheat, northwest part of country. Pulses is a southwestern part of country. Rice, southeastern part of country. You know that first of all use a elimination method. Melt, the melt here, northeastern part of country, it's the wrong option. And the rice, southeast part of country, that is the wrong. And pulses, southeastern part of country, C option also is wrong here. Because pulses is not a growing a southeastern part of country. It means to the option B is correct here. Option B is correct. Wheat is a maximum growth at the northwest part of country. It means to the B option is correct here. The wheat is the northern western part of the country. There is a most important, there is a message pair here. Okay, let's see next question. The next question on your screen, the question is clear here. Full form of KCC is the option A, Kisan Credit Card. B, Kisan Credit Carding. C, Kisan Crediting Card. D, Kisan Credit Card. You know that is the most important question here for the exam view. But first of all, you thought of this answer. Okay, I write the notebook of right answer. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question understand? Question is clear. Full form of the KCC. KCC is a full form here. You know that there is an important Kisan Credit Card. Kisan Credit Card. Kisan credited. Credit is nothing here. There is a credit is right, but credited is nothing. It means to the A is a wrong option. B, Kisan Credit Carding. There is a credit right, but carding is wrong. The B option is a wrong. C, Kisan Crediting Card. Kisan Crediting Card. There is a very odd is here a pronunciation. It means to the C option is a wrong. D, Kisan Credit Card. That's a clear here. Kisan Credit Card. It means to the D option is correct. Kisan Credit Card It's the right option for this question. The KCC is a full form here, Kisan Credit Card. It means D option is correct. Next question on your screen, and question is clear. The rice is a kharif crop that is require high temperature above 25 Celsius and high humidity with the annual rainfall. You know that examiner asks the question here, annual rainfall above the growing of rice crop. That's important. An option here, A 100 centimeter rainfall, B 200 centimeter rainfall, C 150 centimeter rainfall, D 50 centimeter rainfall. Question is clear here. But you test your knowledge. First of all, I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. Rice is a kharif crop that's required to high temperature and high humidity and annual rainfall above. The rice is growing, a maximum is a watering plant here. It means to the water is the most important for growing of rice crop. But 50 centimeter is a rainfall is nothing applicable here. 50 centimeter is very low rainfall here. And 150 centimeter there is a high rainfall. It means 200 is also is a high rainfall. Okay, 200 centimeter rainfall. The option is here A 100 centimeter 100 centimeter is a rainfall is good here. It means to the high humidity with the annual rainfall is 100 centimeters is right. It means to the A option is correct. The A option is 100 centimeter rainfall is correct option for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen, and question here, wheat require dash of annual rain evenly distribute over to growing season. You know that is the question is clear. Wheat require dash of annual rainfall evenly distribute over to growing season. A 25 to 50 centimeter rainfall, B 75 to 100 centimeter rainfall, C 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall, D 85 to 130 centimeter rainfall. Question is clear here. But you check our knowledge. First of all, I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. You know that question is clear here. A wheat require dash of annual rain evenly distribute over to growing season. The wheat is the most important crop. Wheat is the most important for the crop here. But is the rainfall is required is important. The A option 25 to 50 centimeter. It's not an ideal rainfall here. And 75 to 100 centimeter is a very high rainfall. It means not required to 75 to 100 centimeter. And see 50 to 75 centimeter, that's the right answer, because the ideal is rainfall here. We require 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall evenly distributed over to growing season. It means to the option C is a correct answer for this question. Let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, question here, dash is the third most important food crop with respect to area of production. You know that dash is the third most important crop with respect to area of production. That's important question here. A option rice, B jowar, C wheat, D maize. That's important here. But come on, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. And you must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. Dash is the third most important food crop with respect to the area and production. You know that your general knowledge, there are rice and wheat. There is a most important crop food production here. It means to the A rice, and C is the most important. And other is a D is a machine. Machine is also important. But the answer is a right here, jowar. The right answer is jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. So you go with to the jowar. Jowar is the right answer, not a magazine here. It means to the here B. Jowar is the correct answer for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen, and question here, dash is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. Question is clear. Dash is the larger producer and as well as the consumer of the pulses in the world. A. Brazil, B. USA, C. China, D. India. You know that is a question is clear. Question is clear. Dash is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. The India is the right answer. You know that India is the largest produce and larger use here also. India is a larger producer country and consumer of pulses in the world. It means to the India is a correct answer for this question. That's important for the all competitive exam view here. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as a much as a possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.